Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is the lovely Nikki and she's coming today for a redesign. So we've done all the previous prep, removed all her previous design, done all the prep on her natural nails, applied the clear layer, and now we're going in with our design. So this colour is orchid, yeah, from CJP. Sorry if you can hear Mel in the background. He is on one today since bloody 8 o'clock. So yeah, just a full nail of orchid, and then on the ring finger here is going to be a marble. I haven't worked for about nearly 2 weeks, so I was really out of the loop. And I felt like I didn't know what I was doing. I had all intentions of sorry, I've got a cough too, sore throat. I had all intentions of recording the other hand, but I forgot, so then I had to record this hand. Oh, and I hate recording this hand. But anyway, so the marble was made up of magenta, orchid, and this lilac colour that I've got from Glitterbels. Can't remember what it's called. Maybe it might be Parma violet, something like that. So we're just going to marble them together. Yeah, like I said, I was a little bit out of the loop. I kind of had to think. I had to tell myself in my head how to marble. And it still wasn't the best, so I'll go in with glitter. So I just add a little bit of glitter. I use my shards that I've got there. They are the Lilac Hollow soft shards. I absolutely love my soft shards. They go on so easily, so like effortlessly. Is that a word? Yeah, I'm sure it's a word. So we just add a few little lilac shards to this now. So I'll let you watch. So the middle finger is going to be a 3 colour ombre, but at the end it just didn't look like a 3 colour ombre, it just looked like a 2. They blended so well, it just looked like a 2. So the tip, I put magenta down first, and I didn't need to because when I come in with orchid here, it just covers it completely. So next time, just put orchid down first, and then you can do the other colours. So it was, yeah, orchid in the middle, and then magenta at the tip, and then we're going to use the Parma violet, I'm sure it's called the Parma violet, at the cuticle area, and blend them all together. I love this, I love like a lilac and pink together, especially ombre. I think they're really nice. So yeah, I'm just going to faff around. I'll let you watch. Do you know what? In the pictures at the end, they cut that Parma violet colour, if you haven't got it, really looked grey. So I reckon you could do like a light grey if you don't have the lilac colour, and that would still look nice. So just a wash down of Orchid, and then we're coming in with one of my new glitters. This is called Luscious, and it really is luscious. It's like a lilac-y, pinky. The colours kind of shift a little bit, but it's not a colour shift glitter, but they kind of do. Like, you look at it at one angle, it looks pink, and then you look at another, it's lilac. It's really, really nice. Definitely one of my faves. So it's just going to be a full now of that glitter. It is a chunky glitter, so that's why I like to put a base colour down first, so that if there is any gaps anywhere, you've just got a base colour on the background rather than just clear, you know. So yeah, I'm just going to keep adding the glitter up until I'm happy. So the thumb is going to be an ombre with a little bit of glitter. If I'm being perfectly honest with you, I kind of, once I'd done it, I was like, I wish I did pink, or I wish I did something else. I just weren't that mega happy about it, but it still looked alright. So we're using the Parma violet at the tip. She did some decking. She told me she had white nails before this, and she come in with her white nails that were absolutely, I'd never seen stainage like it. She's not a hairdresser. She did some painting on her decking or something, and they were so stained. I was like, what a time to do some painting on your decking when you've got white nails. She never has white nails, so her nails were a little bit stained. So yeah, it's a lilac, and then we're going to come in with cherry blossom at the cuticle area and blend it into that. And then I'm going to come in with those shards, so the holographic lilac shards, and do like a little swoosh across the nail. So once I'm happy, I'm then going to cap all the nails in crystal glass. I forgot to mention I'm using my size 10 brush for this. I'll leave everything in the description box of all the stuff that I've used in this video. So yeah, we'll just cap them all in glass. The filing in this video, so we're just going to go straight into top coating. So yeah, we've done them, I've fired them, buffed them and removed the dust, and now we're ready for top coat. So I'm using the gel bottle ink Extreme Shine Top Gloss, and we're just going to apply a nice thin layer of that over all her nails. She'll cure in my LED lamp for around 60 seconds. I applied some cuticle oil and that was the set complete. So I really do hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. I love that middle nail, it's my fave. Well, the glitter's my fave as well, but I did love that middle nail. Yeah, if you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you're not already subscribed to my channel, I would love it if you did, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.